Need a quick and healthy snack? Let's make this viral cucumber salad in a jar, which is super easy to make and packed with fresh flavors. To make this salad, take a medium-sized cucumber and slice it directly into the jar using a mandolin slicer. Then slice half a red onion. Now add 2-3 tablespoons of chilled Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 minced garlic clove, two tablespoons of chopped mint and cilantro, and salt to taste. Seal the jar tightly and give it a good shake until everything is mixed and well coated. Your refreshing and creamy viral cucumber salad is ready. You can chill it for 10 to 15 minutes or serve it right away. Enjoy it straight from the jar or transfer it to a plate. If you like this quick and fun recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. See you next time!